Today we are going to discuss about sentiment analysis. A sentiment analysis is generally we can identify that a thought or a view or attitude, especially based on emotion instead of reason, right? Yes. Yeah. So here, sentiment analysis also called opinion mining. Yeah. One second. Yeah. Sentiment analysis also called opinion mining. So it's uses for natural language processing and computational techniques to automate the extraction and classification of sentiment from typically unstructured data. So it has used for the natural language processing, and it also includes computational techniques to automate the and the extraction of the data and classification of some sentiment analysis for which whatever the having of unstructured data, and it extract subjective information usually from a set of documents. So you often we're using online reviews to determine polarity, like positive or negative or neutral opinion about that and about specific objects. That we can able to identify in the sentiment analysis, and also focus on feelings and emotions like angry, sad, disappointed, disagree, and etc. Those are the feelings and emotions also that were identify this sentiment analysis. And even on intentions like interested or not interested, agree or disagree, like this also we can able to find out in the sentiment analysis. And it is especially useful for identifying trends of public opinion on social media for marketing. Example here, sentiment analysis analyzes 3,000 plus reviews about a product. Automatically, that could help to discover either customer are happy or about the product pricings or plans and customer service, right? So if it will get the positive responses or positive ratings about the product, we can analyze it. The customers who are using those products were very happy for that using of that product. If the reviews and all, if we will get in a negative way, we'll identify that the product was in a negative format. Yes. And there are types of sentiment analysis. The first one is fine grain sentiment analysis. So, what is fine grain sentiment analysis? So, let's see. Fine grain sentiment analysis is if polarity precision is important to the business, right? Yes. Considering expanding the polarity categories between interpret like 5 stars rating in the review as if for example, if a product I have sale in the market for the customers, if they are satisfied with the product, they will give you the 5 stars for the very positive, and 4 stars for the positive response, and three for neutral opinions, and two for negative, and 1 star for very negative, right? This is the fine grain sentiment analysis based on the scalings. Like we can also give the 10 ratings or 5 ratings, 3 ratings. Yes, yeah, these types of ratings that consider in the fine grain sentiment analysis. And emotion detection sentiment analysis, this aims to detecting emotions such as happiness, frustration, anger, sadness, etc. These type of emotions were detected by this emotion detection sentiment analysis. The emotion detection system uses lexicons like list of words and the emotions. One of the disadvantages of using this lexicon in that people expresses emotions in a different way, right? Yes. And some words that are typically expressed angry, such as bad or kill. For example, product is so bad, our customer support is killing me. Okay, product is so bad, or customer support is killing me. This type of emotions, and might also express their happiness. This is bad as or you're killing it. Yeah, this type of emotions will can able to see in the emotion detection. And the next, aspect based sentiment analysis. So here this aspect based sentiment analysis is based on the product reviews. Based on sentiment analysis requires particular aspects of features of the product, that is like review is in a positive way or neutral or negative way. For example, here is a battery life of this cell phone is too short. In accept based classifier would be able to determine that the sentence expresses in a negative opinion about the feature of battery life, right? So that is based on the accept based, either it is in a positive or negative or in a neutral way. Okay, yeah, this is the third one. And the next, fourth one is multilingual sentiment analysis. It involves a lot of pre-processing and resources. Most of these resources are available on online. For example, sentiment lexicons, while others need to be created like translated corpora or noise detection algorithm. Here, multilingual sentiment analysis can be difficult due to the complex coding part. So, and alternately, we use existing classifiers to detect language in text automatically, then train a custom sentiment analysis model to classify text in the language. These are the four different types of sentiment analysis. And the next, benefits of sentiment analysis. So huge volumes of text data is created every day, like emails, support tickets, and charts, social media conversations, surveys, and articles, documents, etc. Right? These many huge amount of text data will created everyday life. So it's consuming, time consume. It's very time consuming process and expensive to analyze and understand and sort. Right? So here sorting data at scale, huge amount of data is sorted efficiently by using of this sentiment analysis, and real time analysis also done in this, immediately identify these kinds of situations so you can take action right way. And consistent criteria, like organization can apply the same criteria to all of data to improve accuracy and gain better insights. So these are the benefits for sentiment analysis. Features and recognitions. Features in anyone in the form of like words, unigrams, and the phrases, n-grams, sentences, and the features interpretation methods for sentiment detection, like bag of words, like information retrieval, annotated lexicons. It consists of like word net, senti word net, and syntactic patterns, paragraph structures. Yes. Yeah. These are the about sentiment analysis algorithm. Yeah, the sentiment analysis algorithms and the types. Okay. Yeah. This sentiment analysis also, we can call it as opinion mining. It's a natural language processing technique used to determine the emotional tone and sentiment behind the text data. Yes. Yeah. This is about the sentiment analysis and types of sentiment analysis.